1, correction, airfield 2042, wind 230 degrees, 12 knots, minor 6 Alpha, climb 130 until further advice, runway 24, clear for takeoff.
Minor 6 Alpha, climb 130 until further advice, clear for takeoff, runway 24, airfield 2042.
8818, roger, range flight, Airbus will depart. RBC 8818, wind 220 degrees at 15 knots. And runway 24 clear to land. Caution, Whiskey Tango. Airfield 2042, 123.1, good day.
123.1, thank you, good afternoon, airfield 2042. RBC 8818, backtrack, makit ba Echo 2?
502.
Roger, and report 8 miles final.
3 miles final, airship 410.
Traffic now, establish final runway for Katiklan. Roger, and break, airspeed 410, Punta Katiklan, 1186, good afternoon.
1186, good afternoon, airship 410.
Kaliwa approach, back with your near 2371 and over by Manila, 12 miles up left, heading 130.
Airfield 2371, Roger, and confirm release by Manila or Macay.
By Manila, airfield 2371.
And request your distance of air.
11 miles up airfield 2371, passing 143.
2371, Roger, this is a 9,000 and report taper, and after taper, return couple by taper 5 Alpha. Correction 5 Alpha Aga Arrival, report taper.
The 9000 cleared after Taper 5 Alpha, arrival are number runway 24, airfield 2371.
Kaliwa approach, Cebu 901, good afternoon.
901, standby 1, break 8818, request now your position. And confirm the cross over Kalibo. Roger, and query, are you going to cross over Kalibo inbound to Roa? Roger, report 101 to Kalibo. Cebu 901, go ahead.